Good morning, friends. Welcome to Metallurgical Academy. Today we would like to calculate the blast furnace volume requirement for burning 1 kg carbon and how much blast volume is required to get 1 ton of hot metal. Coming to the question was the blast volume requirement for burning 1 kg carbon will be depend on the blast oxygen content in the blast, whether we are giving 21% or we are enriching the blast. Those parameters are decided and considered. Coming to the blast furnace reaction, when the carbon present in the coke or coal will react with the oxygen content in the hot blast contains oxygen in it almost minimum 21%. If you are giving enrichment, it will be 22 or 23%. If we are calculating without oxygen enrichment, that means for 21% oxygen in blast and carbon content in coke or coal, when the blast enters the two ends, the carbon present in the coke and oxygen present in the blast reacted together and to produce carbon dioxide. The temperature at this fuel or raceway zone was very high. That's why this carbon dioxide is unstable above 1000 degrees temperature. This carbon dioxide again react with carbon to produce carbon monoxide. This carbon dioxide again react with carbon to produce carbon monoxide. If you balance this equation, carbon dioxide get cancelled on both sides. Here input side 2 kgs of carbon and 2 moles of carbon and 1 mole of oxygen to produce 2 moles of carbon monoxide. If you want 1 kg, we need to if we calculate 1 mole of carbon react with how many, for burning 1 mole of carbon, how many moles of oxygen is required to produce 1 mole of CO gas. If we divide it by with 2, we will get 2 by 2 of carbon means 1 mole of carbon requires 1 by 2 moles of oxygen to produce 1 mole of CO. This is the final reaction. This is the main reaction in the blast furnace zone. Coming to this reaction, carbon plus oxygen is equal to, here the carbon we are giving it in the solid form means carbon in the kgs. Input will be in kgs. Here 12 kgs of carbon requires half mole of oxygen to produce 1 mole of CO gas. 12 kgs of carbon requires half mole of oxygen. We know that 1 mole of gas will occupy 22.4 meter cube of volume at standard temperature and pressure. We know that at standard temperature and pressure, 1 mole of gas will occupy 22.4 meter cube of volume. And here we have 12 kgs of carbon. It's required half mole. This is half mole of oxygen. Here we have 1 mole of oxygen will occupy 22.4 meter cube of volume. Here we have only half mole. So half of the volume will be occupied by this gas. Half of the 22.4 will be 11.2 moles. 11.2 meter cube of volume will be required. For burning 1 kg carbon, it requires 11 by 0.2 divided by 12 is almost equals to 0.93 meter cube of volume. For burning 1 kg carbon, we require 0.93 meter cube of oxygen required, friends. This is not air. 0.93 Newton meter, normal meter cube of oxygen is required. And coming to the next part, for burning 1 kg, we require 0.93 meter cube of oxygen. Percentage of oxygen, if we consider in blast contains 21% of oxygen. So the air requirement will be 0.93 divided by 0.21 is almost equals to 4.44 meter cube of blast air will be required, or blast value will be required for burning 1 kg carbon. And if you look at the blast furnace, the normal blast furnace will utilize 450 kgs. Coke will be utilized for producing 1 ton of hot metal and having 87% of carbon in it. And we need to inject 100 kgs of coal having 65% of carbon in it. Almost 550 kgs of fuel will be used for producing of 1 ton of hot metal. We know that 1 kg of carbon required. If we need to balance total carbon, we need to burn. The carbon input and output are carbon in coke and carbon in coal, and the loss will be carbon in hot metal and carbon in flue dust. Flue dust means in dust catcher and gas cleaning plant. Carbon in coke will be, we are charging 450 kgs of carbon into carbon percentage in coke will be 87% in it, so 0.87 plus carbon coal we are charging was 100 kg, and carbon within this coal will be 65%, and if you observe hot metal analysis, almost minimum 4.5% of carbon will be induced in hot metal. 4.5% means almost 45 kgs, and carbon in flue dust will be almost 5 kgs will be loss. So the total carbon we need to burn will be this minus this almost total carbon we need to burn will be 406.5 kgs. We know that 1 kg carbon requires 4.4 meter cube of blast volume required. If you observe this calculation, here we will get 1 kg of carbon requires 4.44 meter cube of blast air. And here we know that here we require to burn 406.5 kg. So this 406.5 kg will require almost 1788 meter cube of blast volume will be required to produce 1 ton of hot metal. Thank you for watching this video, friends. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe Metallurgical Academy YouTube channel.